Very simple. We go back the exact same way as we came in. Just be careful not to hit the doors. You can come around this way. You can set it down, you won't hurt nothing. I like to grab this and just turn. Once you get to this position, I like to pick it up and turn it this way. Boom. Very simple. Just plug the plugs back in. Down here, there's two of them, the ones I showed you. One, two, and then the clip. So the seat's back to where it belongs. Now, the two 14s in the front, I put in first because sometimes it's hard to get the rear ones in. The front ones don't have that much play, so hand tight, hand tight, pull the seat forward all the way so you can get to the bolts in the back. I'll go do it from the other side so you guys can see more. Two. While we're here, let's put these covers back on too. And if you don't know left and right, it'll say right on here, SR, I'm assuming, or inner right. So right side, inner, roll the seat back so you can get to those bolts. And it's just simple as, that's it. Now don't try to put the bolts in and just gun them in. You're gonna cross thread them and then you're gonna hate yourself. Just make sure you thread them in by hand. If you're having problems or if you cross thread it, if you're nearby, bring the car. Well, we can fix the bolts, bolt threads. Or if you lose a bolt, need a bolt. If you're nearby, stop by. I'll give you one. On to the next project we go. Subscribe to us, and I got some cool stuff coming. We've been hiding it from you guys for a while, but we might just bring it out. Some cool cars we've been working on. They're not Subarus, but subscribe and stay tuned.